again, and welcome back to my channel. In today's short one-handed woodworking tips video, we are looking at how to do a half lap joint on the mitre saw with just the one hand. Now, just a couple of little things you need to do before you have a go at trying this, or if you are thinking of doing this, is you need on your mitre saw, you need a sacrificial piece of wood at the back so it can actually cut all the way through and not leave a raised bit on the lap joint. And secondly, you need to see if your mitre saw has got a depth gauge. Now, on my previous one, which was a very reasonably priced JCB mitre saw, it did have a depth gauge on it. It wasn't very good, but it did work. You just have to keep continually checking it because it kind of drifted off a little bit. But on this one, it's got a adjustable one where you can lock it, and then once you've finished doing your trench cuts or your lap joint cuts, you can go back to the full size there. So one final thing, if you need to do this, I thoroughly recommend this type of clamp as opposed to this type of clamp. It does work using this one, it's just that this will take forever and a day, whereas this just takes forever. Okay, take care of yourselves, everyone. I hope you're having a safe and enjoyable Easter weekend. Look after yourselves, and I'll see you soon. Thank you.